Okay, then also next topic. Thada batu khari tore walk che di nyambo la nda di kam di walk down time taken parula link da dewa ta dhisu lyash chidu kala science to ne lyash chi object di lyash chidu kala dhisu ko di link achta thanda ko che da exercise ni cha sa. The next topic dikhare ma jo energy la na mango khor ta ma jo energy daily life la energy phiju tang bores ra ani sources of energy na chinda thuba thuba na ja yare energy ko la chinju the types of energy de ani the types of energy mango ta in na lo le ani this common de chinda thuba thuba giva na ja okay ta ma jo da chinda goal level la ani energy ka ko ja che the second part le what chapter ke second part first part dikhare wo the second part, energy. An object having a capability to do work is said to possess energy. Chala class na physics ki tatone shena ajo mi nere ania living beings shamba chi nere non living beings khari ne dela lega chi gi nuba chi nas capability to do work. So chapter answer link your work done the energy the link your ta. So lega chi gi nuba chi na ani ngajo khashi re ani chala dela energy does possess mana have no have I have mana you later. So chala dela lega chi gi nuba chi na ani ko ngajo khale re science ne ko la energy does energy na ani kare work done your energy mena amare work done your man. So object dela energy does now rest. Okay, so the energy kita tunda ko che. Ta science ke andar जो physical quantity चिदो energy दा work done जो energy ने को चुना मत शे थोड़े के हमारा okay इन्हें effect ने कारण result ने produce हो okay तो दी मातुंग ने देता मत जो work done करे scalar quantity रे vector quantity रे work done la do force into displacement force la ta direction do displacement la direction min do distance cover chires 50 meter 20 meter 1 meter cover chires so dila tu direction yogyo jikda direction megyo chi multiply chidu gala direction me achar so dila tu work done la magnitude chipo work done khaju chire lana and 60 newton per meter chila joule yores any work done gesa unit kare joule ra so dila tu gala 40 joules work done chires 20 joules work done chire la tu joule la tu energy ki amount chikti do yana work done energy khaju pheje ta ma chik yana work done khaju chi so dila tu magnitude chiko tu do so work done dikhare scalar quantities direction to over din ashin ki energy de scalar quantities ajine direction to over energy khaju pheje tang re energy khaju yore chala dela so dila tu kana magnitude chipo tu do quantity chipo so dila tu energy de and kare scalar quantity okay SI unit of energy the SI unit international standard unit the kare energy ka ji joule res okay the joule and mean the scientist ki mean chaga joule kora gita di ko study che and produce che and study kaza de di concept joma che ninja ke mean chaga de ta joule ke symbol je ta di ma jo yang se che ho che ne din ma half chama energy that you are larger unit of energy is kilojoule larger unit lana ra tinga jo gram kilogram le da tange ki di chok piece di jugo kya hai na ra chok piece di and weighing machine kana shana ni ki unit kg bheju tang ba ra ba che ne pho jugo dios ni da ane di indu kana ni gram yana milligram ra most probably gram bheju tang ra ta di gram 0.123 ka gram ne osa so dila du kana chala digi lega chi e da chala digi energy khaju process chi do dila pa ani kare unity pechutang grace ta joule di ajo standard object di la mang che chiwe kabla energy yogyo da energy pechutang di joule na la use chi ta ine ya la machine inde chala khashi gi la shukchmu chi ra okay so pena machines factories na machine yogyo den jo la shukchmu chi ra automobiles जो के लिए शुक्र मुझे दीदी बना मानो energy की unit दी अच्छे रहता हूँ पहले आंसर हंदा देंगे LCD भेजो तंग तो चूज़ो खाजो भेजो तंग रहे चूज़ो माँ चूज़ो ड्रूप भेजो तंग लाना electrical energy भेजो तंग तो electrical energy भेजो चूज़ो माँ चूज़ो ड्रूप भेजो तंग ना मांगो तंग ना so joule की express चिन्ह दो बार ra unit chunga di number chiku che so di inde ajo kilojoule na express chigores okay ta kuni paru na deva khare tengi na shi gram ta kilogram ta centimeter ta meter paru na ling yo na shi gi joule di unit chunga re kilojoule di unit che so kilojoule chik na joule ka jo re 1000 joules ta this is the general calculation di ro okay ta ajo the energy goes when a fast moving cricket ball hits a stationary wicket the wicket is thrown away wicket the ures achene and ball and chukchumbo yonge ji ke ja ures na so the wicket the la you to a gunje khare energy ji apply ji energy le na there human so wicket like ne wicket dikhachi so move chisa right displace chisa so de la digana wicket de la work done khandes yongre nana swa energy ji projectang ni energy ji apply chi so fast moving cricket ball digi wicket la energy supply chis okay next, when we raise a hammer to insert a nail into a wooden board, the nail gets inserted into the wooden board. Okay, so the activity chita. Okay, and the hammer toa. Okay, the ani also kare shinjila in this chune kya na in this na in this ya su kya hoga de na dine ya kya hoga dine ya kya tu kala to kachore energy de la sa chugo okay that the detailed chena the types of energy na so when we raise a hammer to insert a nail into a wooden board shinji kalama jue ina stra a nail get inserted into the wooden board ani to dia kya ani this ma shudu and nail the shingina judures judo ginje ko kachore da work done chore de ma shingna na gangza juina the distance cover this rosa adene ya raise che ma chudu ma jo kharesa apply chore energy apply chore rosa the gune ta yet transformation da ani kare transfer of energy da yorda okay so je jangra ye jenda to de mana jan okay so the you gonna to the energy supply chine nail dena and nail the ma jures there ma judu khachore nail ki displacement distance cover chida so the work done de we gunje kare nail the work done chitu we gunje kare kola energy chi transfer chis hammer the okay then when a small boy winds its toy the toy starts moving puchunjing ge boda inde da tangbongya na hachi do engine ki na ho coil de kora na ho gya da kora gap anjala shiktu hachi do motor de du da so this the wind also wind ki thakta da chipar da di wind na na kora gya oza okay a small boy wind its toy in the chiniki dimish do dimi ki de skora ge da and now spring di compress chi chura okay ti chine an jera tu gala ka chi do kola energy rane ta energy khagi rane type jega jangal so energy rane ka chi do car the move chi da so car the move la do work done ka chin chi re energy ra nango ne osa nango to ki nango la spring di asa kora ke then when we blow an air into a balloon, the balloon gets swelled on. Okay, the kambuchi last kambuchi ne kare inflated and ma lete ra membrane di ma chapke ra. Ta dina push kya tu kala ni kambu de khachi do de chen bu do. Kambu de spe ko gyumse kare sna tu kala kambu di nango di drop din so kambu de inflated into drop chu kambu di pu kya tu kala kambu ki drop din chu ta dila du kala kambu ki membrane de expand chur kambu ki membrane expand la du work done displacement chur ta so di khades chung so energy ta energy type wind energy sound energy di jang ra jin da chung ma ta energy pe ju ta mo energy that is wind energy and air energy pe ju ta ne any kambu di expand chir okay so dila du kala energy pe ju ta du kala khachi do these are work done also forms of energy. Chungala mangu changa forms of energy, types of energy. Pena tanda ngi LCD di on chinide light ani LCD ki laptop namola ta content ke sama screen gar sha tu da di khari energy pe ta more electrical energy. Ta anda chulo la de ni ma sha to right. And ni ma ge khari energy release chire solar energy. Ta ma zu chu ma flow chige na and chu generator la phona an ka chore and hydro energy. Okay, dene ya ma zo dublo kam shave kabla ani blue windows kya na ani ka chore wind energy pe juta mor tina shingi chamba ta ta chamba wind energy windmill la pe juta ne windmill to ne ka chore chamba ta chora so ti la tu bala chamba energy dene ta mechanical energy la tu bala ani machines namola energy ni combine jo mechanical la tu ani energy ni combine chene mechanical energy form jo machine ti thambo khor ora engine na fuel burn chi sa chene engine khor and shine and kare vehicle di move chi ra follow nyabo so di la du kala dinala energy ni process akasa combine chene and mechanical energy okay so the in the type mangu pair energy type mangu pair ta tenda ngegi tenda ga keja she du da ngegi subya namona ani khala sani khare ra re chemical energy yana food energy khala nang chemical seradi di kasa consume chine food di consume chine subula chemical energy ta di reaction chine ngana khala re subuna mala ani khala re ta catabolic anabolic la du kana metabolism chira subuna reaction ma breakdown chain ne ya build up chain sama chain ya ju ne subur ki sela muscular energy so in sama ma ju da tuba kewa na this changra okay ta hala jinda bo na no na forms of energy chu so ni jangar osa forms of energy thangu de khare kinetic energy lana khare kinetic energy is the energy processed by an object due to its motion okay object chila energy yana la chi thu rest the example mangu stosa okay ta kinetic object chila kinetic energy yorta type khare yore lana forms of energy la two types energy object la energy khare yore mechanical yore ani kharsa solar energy yore light energy yore energy electrical energy yore wind energy yore heat energy yore khare yore lana jo kinetic energy yore la de khandis la thu lana kesi object di move chigena due to its motion move chigena and object de la khare yore la de ma jo kinetic energy yore okay the kinetic energy of an object increases with its speed object dita move chigena kinetic energy yore lana the kinetic energy ki value jora object de la kinetic energy mangu khadu dhure lana kesi object di ki and speed parna osa speed parna ani kinetic energy manga process chi res na kinetic energy ki formula khare E lana energy K lana kinetic so kinetic energy is equal to half 1/2 lana half lauta half mv square half the constant che m the khare mass of the object v the khare speed of the object and the formula is square times then the SI unit of the kinetic energy is joule the forms of energy khare in solar energy wind energy electrical energy and mechanical energy khare in SI unit khare samma joule osa pena majo na namalo la geyser on chene and kachire electrical energy consume chira chisa chana change chira heat energy la chene chu so chira so heat energy khaje consume chire sa tu bana ne majo pare SI unit joule na pujeta okay ta pena khande do kinetic energy ke object khande do nana ta tam su two examples pena flying bird chu de yo chikla kinetic energy yo marsa kana de yo chita nam lama phirne nam ki lama phirne des de denge chikla kinetic energy yo mar denge kinetic energy lana khala so due to motion rasa so flying bird phrase de bird lana to mar bird lana object de chibo char a flying bird example chetu gana kinetic energy ki object kinetic energy process chigo object example che shows lana a flying bird nathir and then asking ki a flying aeroplane nam to is len chigyo chigla yore kinetic energy yore la na yomar ta khajini yomare next type de jenwa ta object di nam tu di nam ki la de senchin de na kinetic energy yore la na yomar nam tu di phi de na ane kare nam tu de la kinetic energy yores dina shingi kite so jaiga kite in the phi de kite in this hang chin de na na kinetic energy yomar kite di sagana shayna kinetic energy yomata ajene object di move chur so velocity to the velocity move machina velocity zero ra okay so the kinetic energy di yogyo right ande la so moving object short chena the kinetic the kite field de which adene walking man which koba can draw there the walking man this lang dena tada ngana shin this lang dena mala kinetic energy yore la na yomar ta ma dona ngala khare yore ma body chara ngala khare yore kinetic energy so kinetic energy is due to its motion object the move chidu kala yores nara okay some more examples moving bullet bullet di medana rifle na lu ni sha na bullet de la kinetic energy yore la na yomar ra ta bullet di fire chis tene rifle ne fire chidu kala bullet du do moving atu dane chin du do okay so the moving bullet de la ni khare yore la na kinetic energy blowing wind lung do de blow lung do de lung stagnant de not the ani kare kinetic energy yomare lung do de moving air ra do de la ani khare yore la na kinetic energy yores la ta wind the body re bullet the body objects is it one a rotating wheel kholo khor de motor ka chi kholo ine re na motor do shiba ki kholo khor kyo de ine re ya kholo ji hang chini so the spring fed ta inde kana kholo in shau da inde khor kyo and there are dash you and so kholo khor de ma do ya kholo khora inde sha na kholo kinetic energy ma kholo khor de ji la kinetic energy yores a falling coconut dry fruit chingdo jora di ma kangla shingdong la ge ni de na kinetic energy yore na yomar ta di ma za yongyo na dina shingi apple chi ma za yongyo na ane kare kola kinetic energy yores coconut a rolling stone to pepper inere ta do chimbu chi inere ra ri ga ma za yongyo na ri ga na is khar de na sanya bo attached ni ra khar de na kinetic energy yore na yomares tara ya ma chawai chapti gar ajido do ma zauda okay do pieces ta chibun zauda so dinde za dekyo china khayare kinetic energy a flying aircraft thank you as a nam tu bajita ya na aircraft sheba do dekyo chota flowing water chu river oza ponds ka chi na kya chu ba chi din ma ma tyo ba che kya chu ba chi na an chu de la khayare kinetic energy yore na yomar kilchu jigina oza lake che ponds che inde na ta chu gugu na river on inde na yana waterfalls inde ra waterfalls inde ma gu de gyonde ta the powerhouse la waterfalls ko da chu ji ma gu kang ne ma za de na ne chu ma za de ne de na khare yore na kinetic energy yores na okay ta ma so kinetic energy equation derive here here syllabus na yore so equation derive chi gala derivation of formula of kinetic energy formula kacha so half mv square ek is equal to half mv square lana half the kacha so constant m the kacha so mass thingi also kala so moving bullet la sa moving bullet la the bullet the mass yora half the constant and the draw the to kala speed chikora so moving bullet the na kinetic energy do ta di formula di manjo ma khachire derive cheers Okay. So derivation of formula of kinetic energy. The kinetic energy formula want to derive cheers. Half mv square contest right? Okay. Let m the mass of the body then let v is the velocity and the speed what's your data? V is equal to speed of the body let a the acceleration of the body okay. So now m is the value formula derive. So m is the mass of the body, v is the speed of the body, and a is the acceleration of the body. Now from the three equations of motion, by using equation of motion, three equations of motion. Now equation sumera dinamle chip digital. Right, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay. So object the move chi de object the move chi de to color distance kajo cover chores that s na s 2 into a into s laura 2 into acceleration into ani kare displacement yana distance cover ta s is equal to and dika chendre v square u square because multiplication in a division chera. So v square minus u square divided by 2a rara. Okay. Next, according to second law of motion, Newton's second law of motion. Newton's law of motion. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. F is equal to ma. Now next kinetic work done, right? So object the move chi together now the chapter work and energy, that the energy process na work done chi to rest la the work done is equal to force the work done chi force na work done chi so that is work done is equal to MAS, mass into acceleration into displacement, is equal to mass mj acceleration hj. So that is acceleration hj. Acceleration is v minus u by t, and so s v square minus u square divided by 2a. S की substitute चेता substitute 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 S is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a in this equation. The equation 2. Then so a cancel check. W is equal to m object d move chive kabla ani stationary ni at rest ni start chive na u kha chire 0 chira. Okay, so v square minus u kha so 0 divided by 2 ajene the a cancel chasa and w is equal to d kamla 1 era 1 rearrange chita half n v square the formula the and kare so rearrange che the 2 ki kamla 1 era the samma kana 1 half che m and v square the 0 chasa. So that is the formula of kinetic energy ki formula derivation is next the answer kare word problem. The kinetic energy that is a word problem. Kinetic energy na so object jigla ani energy wa the object the move chi dekyo jigla. Okay, so that is a kinetic energy definition and a formula kare half mv square, half constant and mass v, velocity and towards speed. Okay, an object mass 10 kg is moving with a uniform velocity of 2 meter per second. Object is for the mass 10 kg and move is uniform velocity. Uniform velocity lana 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second draw dever. Also, direction change. So velocity means speed plus direction. And speed with direction. The direction change and speed there constant towards a uniform motion. So 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. In the meter get to meter get to 2 meter per second, 2 meter say meter in a second constant. So that is uniform velocity. What is the kinetic energy processed by the object? The object the move gana kinetic energy says. Next, a car is traveling at a velocity of 10 meter per second and has a mass of 250 kg. Compute its kinetic energy. Car the object car the doors and to the velocity 10 meter per second. Second chingna meter chu. Okay. Then a mass car the mass 250 kg. Then a kinetic energy sage. Next, your super dikardo, a man is transporting a trolley of mass 6 kg and having kinetic energy of 40 joules. The need your nature to cheaper the super formula number quantity a man is transporting a trolley. Trolley in the street also. Jana Jukochimbo in the na and trolley Kanashana. I'm a dear science rather than friction less to one hollow karna and friction dinu tam to gana roll chidugana rolling friction there roll chidu and Jugoti Numa Torbis. And the Benekinza gas cylinder or to gana and Mazokare. The trolley the Pishutanguda cylinder Chukuchimbuda. So cylinder trolley Pejamada cylinder is Tomba Gana Kinede, a Kango Kina the Jugochera, and a key Jasimbuda. So trolley Galakina and Leonard. Okay. So di into kala what the trolley na ta chala lu ne mass ka jo na 60 kg and then ta trolley the judo or door transporting na okay jo du kala ko kinetic energy ka jo na trolley di kinetic energy process ka jo na 40 joules ka jo process chi na 40 joules compute its velocity with which he is running okay ta di ngi chawas chi and then ke chawas chi ta di jiwa tok ne te da isem jiwa tampo da niwa direct okay then hin jikte ani keras cheje okay so tang anzo word problem ready ne cheje kinetic energy object of mass tang anzo kasi ne la na shi ki step chi solution na answer number 1 na answer number 1 na kare te do jiwa de she ge ta sa 지역이 두 고추와 지스라 두 고추사의 제나 아니 가르가르티에도 어딘서 때네 대교도 뒤 가르치에라도 어딘서 파주 링타네 가서 가래 calculation 지도 word problem 참마 오케이 mass 10 kg object की mass 가지고 도 10 kg mass m is equal to 10 kg 그다 되네 with a uniform velocity of 20 meter per second velocity 되다 velocity v is equal to 20 meter per second. Not 20, it is 2. Okay. 2 meter per second. तो खर्च है ना तो kinetic energy. वो करे EK ना says तो आज formula भेजता हूँ रा formula दा खर्च है ना क्यों दा अंते को लिंक दा ना formula दिला so kinetic energy EK is equal to half mv square. Half mv square that is the formula writing on the derive is a half constant and mass of the object v velocity of the object. Okay. So value substitute. EK is equal to half constant into now that is multiplication of tonga shana half into mass into and velocity. Mass has to 10 kg. As I need into velocity has to 2 meter per second square. Formula square so that is EK is equal to step into 10 kg into 2 square na 2 4 chara 4 meter per second jaza next EK is equal to dikarta cancel che karta 2 5 jaza okay 5 so that is 5 kg into 4 meter per second jaza next EK is equal to 5 4 20 kg meter per second. Okay. That SI unit kg meter per second la bachela joule chalra. So EK is equal to 20 joule. That is kinetic energy this. So tiwa tambo ta tiwa niwa di car is traveling solution given khate do velocity te da v is equal to 10 meter per second second che then mass te da 250 kg Okay, let's say kinetic energy. Symbol kare EK ra. This is the formula. Kinetic energy EK is equal to half mv square. Half constant mass into velocity square chasa. Okay, so EK is equal to half constant mass kachute to 250 kgs as I said 250 kg into velocity kachute to 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second square tamura. Okay, so EK is equal to amount this square dora 250 kg into 10 100 meter per second. Chaza. Second that the square. Meter per second square ni ora. Meter per second. So it na jukala. Meter square. Second square. Ni ora. Meter ni second ni ora. Okay. Next, EK is equal to cancel china. Cancel 2 1 2 4 and 1 2 5 125. Okay, the next color 125 into 100 nana 1 2 5 0 0. One time. That is kg meter square per second square, and EK is equal to 12500 joules. Okay, so that is the kinetic energy. Last thing a man is transporting a trolley of mass 6 kg. Solutions number given. Trolley mass m 6 kg and having kinetic energy. Kinetic energy EK is equal to 40 joules. Okay, that is twisted ready. Direct velocity to be find out velocity v is okay. Now the original formula kinetic energy EK is equal to half mv square. EK 40 joules. Half constant mass 6 kg. Velocity 10. Okay, so velocity 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 square division division 40 joule into 2 divided by 6 kg. Okay, that's v square. So the roots 40 joule into 2 divided by 6 kg. Yeah, that v square velocity v square and the formula square root so the square root and then calculate root 40 joule into 2 divided by 60 kg. and this cancel chain ani ma zo root kha zo la khali do so velocity change dira ma assignment